Quizzes are a great way to measure your students' progress in the class. Using the quiz activity in Moodle will allow you to test your students on what they have learned using different varieties of questions. The first step in creating a quiz is to add questions to a question bank to choose from for our test. In this video, we will learn a little bit about creating categories for our questions to fall under. The question bank is located under Administration on the left-hand side under Questions. The question bank will allow you to create different types of questions that can be used in your quizzes. Your first step in populating the question bank is to start creating categories for your questions to fall under. To create a new category, click the tab here at the top that says Categories. Scroll down to where it says Add Category. The way that I like to organize my quizzes is to separate each quiz I plan to give in a different category and then add the questions for that quiz accordingly. You may choose to organize yours by the types of questions you want to ask. It's all a matter of personal preference. For tutorial purposes, I am going to name this category Quiz 1. You can also put information about this category below the name. This can be used to help you distinguish between multiple categories. I am just going to put Quiz 1 Questions in this text box. Once you are finished, press Add Category. You can see that the category of Quiz 1 has been created. You can also see where it's been created if you go to Questions, and on this drop-down menu where it says Category, you'll see Quiz 1. I want to create another category, so I'm going to follow the same method that I did to create the first one. I'm going to go to the Categories tab, scroll down to where it says Add Category, and name this one Quiz 2. And like before, under Category Info, I'm just going to write Quiz 2 Questions. And then I'm going to press Add Category. Then you can see Quiz 2 has been created. Now it's important that you notice that these categories are being created under the parent category of default for Trainer IT Moodle course. If you wanted to create a subcategory, you could click the parent category that you want that question to fall under from this menu here. This can be useful if you want to organize the types of questions you create into different folders, so to speak. So for example, maybe within Quiz 1, I want to create a category for multiple choice questions, for essay questions, and one for short answer questions. As I create them, I would put them under the parent category of Quiz 1. So just to show you as an example, let's create a category that says multiple choice. And you'll see here under parent, before I would go and add the category, I want to click this drop-down menu and select Quiz 1, because this is the parent category I want multiple choice to fall under. I'm going to go ahead and press Add Category, and you can see that multiple choice has now fallen under Quiz 1. So we'll just do one more to show you what it looks like. Let's write essay questions. And then, under the parent category, choose Quiz 1. Press Add Category. Now you can see under Quiz 1, we have two subcategories that say essay questions and also one that says multiple choice. Now I'm going to delete these because we're not going to use them, but just for tutorial purposes, it's good to know. Now that my categories are created, I can start creating questions to add. Moodle has a lot of different types of questions, but I'm going to show you the ones that have been most useful for teachers when giving quizzes online. The question types that we are going to discuss are multiple choice, short answer, true and false, and essay questions. To make it easier to follow, each question type that I mentioned will have its own tutorial video. This concludes the tutorial on creating categories for quizzes.